Today on What's Next Garage, we're gonna fix this garage door after 12 years. When I push the light button, the lights don't come on. The relay clicks, but the lights don't come on. So today, we're fixing that. Let's see what we got going on here. So this system worked for 2 years that we lived here, and then it went bad. So we would have to tap it and wiggle it, and then the lights would work. So then it only lasted a little while. What is that? That looks like a little hot there, a little melty. And then it worked for a little while when I hit it, and then it didn't work at all. 12 years is long enough to not have any lights when you come in your garage door, and then you trip over stuff all over the place. That's what happened to me. I would trip over stuff. Or actually, yesterday I just tripped over all kinds of stuff. No, that's all good. Take these off. How do these come off? You pinch them. Yep. So there's a little pinchy here. Pinch, pinch. I'm kind of just forcing it out of it also. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's so cold and broke. Come on. Look at that. It's so cold now I got junk. The red was on the top. So maybe I could put a meter on there and see if that's got voltage. Okay, we're gonna plug her back in. I heard a click, and then we'll check. I think it should do it with this thing. This is my kids, but we'll see if that works. All right, let's get these out of here. There's one, and there's two. Okay. Well, it's got 123 volts. It says 123, so I imagine I should keep my fingers out of there. Yeah, so there's power there, that's good. Oh boy. Don't want to slide in there. That one did, okay. Yep, and it says 123. So there's power there. So, what does that mean? It means that both the sockets are bad? It's on the back here. There's right here the tab. Let's push that tab in. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need freaking gorilla fingers. Let's come out of here. There we go. So this is the socket. And that looks really yucky in there. Perhaps, just perhaps, I may get out of this one easy and just clean those ends up. We're gonna start there. So you can see in there, it's all corroded up. Maybe, just maybe, that's my problem. All right, let's go in there and see what we can do with that. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Nothing. Oh, what the hell is that noise? Seriously? Wow. Okay. All right, there we go. Let's go there. Okay. Well, how do I touch this without getting electrocuted? Okay, we put one there. Oof, I'm jiggly. I'm really jiggly. Can't see this. Okay. And we'll touch that. Yeah, it says out there's 123 volts in there. Well, what the heck? There's 123. If I put my finger in there, I'm gonna get zapped. There's all kinds of power in there. It says so. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. I think, yeah, that might have been it. Well, obviously that was it. Okay, so we'll unplug it, we'll clean the other one. And we might be a wrap for this job after 12 years. Okay, we're gonna, yeah, that looks pretty rusty in there too, crusty. Just like the other one, I can't really see. I was gonna get a new garage door because of this. And my heat shield is a little bit loose. Well, ooh, still plugged in. Perfect. Okay. Ta-da! I'll pull this guy off. Onesie, twosie. Yeah, one of these is big, one of these is little. So hot, red, and then common is bigger. So you can't make a mistake. Of course, if you've seen some of my videos, well, it's very easy to make a mistake and then have to go back and do it again. But I usually get it right the second time. I'm excited. Whoop, whoop. All right, white to the wide one. Then we take this red guy and put him on there. Okay, and the screws are in there. So we just make sure nothing's hitting. We slide this guy up and then push and push. So you gotta lift this bottom. So you either pull down this to get that to slide in. I don't know if the LED bulbs last longer than, this is an incandescent. This Allen probably cost me $400 a year to run. So these are both, now I have two LEDs in there. And we'll give it one final test and then we'll try and put the broken covers on. Woo-hoo! That's what I'm talking about. It's about time. Upsy daisy. Get in there, get in there. Yeah, that was, well, that's just gonna be, you know what? That's just gonna be gangster. You know, all opened up like that. I'll crack and bust it up like a big old tough guy all broke up. Oh, okay. That's good. Now we'll see one more time. Be nice, beautiful, soft white. Oh, Shazam! Now every morning I leave for work in the dark, I just push this button instead of tripping over all kinds of stuff. Woo! Well, all right, that's it for this episode of What's Next Garage. I don't know what's on the honey-do list next, but we'll definitely figure out something to do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.